Namaste. I am Dr. Soumya M. Nair. In my today's session, I am going to explain you the benefits of aloe vera juice. I used to advise patients to take aloe vera juice for various ailments, and some of them have aloe vera plant at home and ask me, how do you make juice for consumption? Aloe vera plant is a miracle plant which can be grown easily and have multiple benefits. In Sanskrit, aloe vera is called Gridakumari, which means young girl. This name is given to it because the Vedas believe that the plant gives the woman youth and it has a regenerating effect on our body. This is the reason we can see aloe vera name in most of the beauty enhancing products like cosmetics, shampoos, etc. According to Ayurveda, aloe vera tastes bitter and its vibhaga is pungent and its virya, that is potency, is colon potency, and it balances all the three doshas, that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha in our body. Today we'll discuss the benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera juice is useful in digestion, gastric problems, acidity, that is heartburn. This also improves the functioning of liver, gallbladder, kidney, and it is also very useful in fatty liver and constipation. It promotes cardiovascular health and control diabetes. Due to its anti-inflammatory property, it helps to control arthritis. This helps in boosting our immune system and it purifies blood and skin. So, this can be used in mild sunburn and skin disorders. Aloe vera juice has Rasayana property and daily consumption of this rejuvenates our cells and tissues. Thus, it's having anti-aging property. Just a caution. Pregnant women should not take aloe vera internally since it may cause uterine contraction leading to miscarriages. And it is not advisable for children below 10 years. However, you can consult a doctor in case you need more information in this. I hope you all understood the benefit of this miracle plant. Now, let's see how do we make this miracle juice in our home. This yellow sap is called aloin. This is not toxic, but this tastes bitter and it may cause stomach pains too. So better we keep the fresh cut aloe vera stem for 10 to 15 minutes to remove this.